Alright guys, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria,
yes,
baby.
If
Today
you know
is your first time you're coming up to the channel, I'll say you're welcome. If no you, there's no us, there's no AYA Cosmetic, baby. You know, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, click on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Yes, if you're a returning subscriber, please also copy the link and share. Then again, don't forget that we have another channel called AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Go there and subscribe, like their new videos. Also there you can really know, very educative. You can go there and also watch those videos. We ship everywhere worldwide. If you want to buy skincare product, organic product, or cosmetic, and again, we're into fully logistic now. Inside all this product, you want to ship anything to anywhere, we always do all that too. We ship everywhere. We can deliver anything for you. We have our own logistic company as well. Now that is great, a new improvement. Today I want to teach you how to make a hot chocolate cream. And now this cream you see here is my own base, it's my own base. I did it, it's my own base, Don't let anybody deceive you, it's my own base, So I want to show you the things you'll be using. I want to show you the things you'll be using. Everything you'll be using, look at them here. Okay, boom, we're on the right track. We'll be using first of all, we'll be using our, we'll be using our alpha arbutin, yes, and we'll be using our almond oil. We'll be using our honey, and also we'll be using our coconut oil, and also we'll be using our shallow stretch mark. We'll be using a little of our lactic acid. I will be using our whitening glycerin, and then we'll be using our strawberry. You can see our strawberry fragrance. So let's begin. Okay, without no wasting time, I would want this will really make you when they say hot chocolate. This one I've already taken out of it before, and we're making our base cream is about 250 ml. Yes, our base cream. So it's more or less everything here natural. Are you getting it? So we're using just 250 ml. So we just have to regulate everything, bro. Yep. Okay. Stay with me. This is it. Okay. Then now we're putting our alpha. Like I told you, all this, if you really want to know into it, you want to get everything. Oh, what this stands for? What does this stand for? Because I'm only just dropping them for you to have the idea. You want to know all this in the deep depth of it, you just have to join our training. You just have to join our training, because it's not easy. Not every day like we're doing all these things. It's not easy. It's not people pleasing order. So like, oh, I'm skipping a little out of it to make for you. No, I have to, because I want you to have something every day. So I have to see how I can organize these things and make sure I drop something. So don't forget, everything there must be a gain. Oh, you don't know that. So what's my gain? It's just for you to understand that you have to come for your training. Yes, you just have to come for your training. So now then we've put our alpha arbutin, then we go in for our lactic acid. Lactic acid, I'm putting just half spoon. Because remember I said 250 ml. So lactic acid, put in half spoon. This is it. Bang. You see? Yes. So that can make it moisturize and go deep down skin. So we put in our almond oil, 1 spoon. Almond oil 1 spoon. See it? 1 spoon. Yep. 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Okay, now we've put in this, so we'll put in our honey. You know, honey is good for the body. If you don't know, let me put it that way. 1 spoon. Yeah, 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Okay, our coconut oil also 1 spoon. You know, coconut oil, we have 2 types. 1 spoon. We have the cold press and the hot press, so you can use any one you want to use. Some people say I like the hot press, and some say I like I like the cold press. So we put in our whitening glycerin so that it can lighten the body small, make the body light up small. Okay, 1 spoon. Yep. Okay, so now it's no whitening, but how come I'm getting stretch mark? It's no blah blah, it's not toning. How come I'm getting this? So are you recording? Shalom oil 1 spoon. Bam. So we've done what's in there. It's just for you to blend, blend properly, blend properly. Use your blender. You can see there's our blender in here. This is our blender. So back to here. So you can use that to blend. I'm not going to show you when I blend, okay? So we'll be going for a break. Before the break, I'll blend and I will come back. I'm done blending so that the video is not going to look boring. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, you can see we've done blending. So there's something I forgot. I didn't put, we forgot putting our preservative, which I didn't show you. So while I was doing that, I quickly put the preservative and also our strawberry fragrance. So that is all we did, and I didn't show you about it, like it was a little mistake. So you can always do that on your own. So it's just a self-choice thing. If you want to put preservative, you can put preservative. If you want to put your fragrance, because all this I put, they have their own fragrance already. So that is it. So that had to make hot chocolate. So don't forget, if you want to order for your hot chocolate cream, you can go all through this process. You can always just call the number on your screen. We'll do all that for you, and we ship everywhere worldwide as well. We ship everywhere. If you want to place your order now, kindly place your order. Any of it you want, cosmetic or any other item, we have our own logistic company. We ship things everywhere. So don't forget, if you want to place your order, place your order. I'm the only guy with those skincare things, so they said, and always make the women beautiful. That's my dream. That's my motto, So see you next time on our next video. Bye bye.